Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is me, your English instructor, Muhammad Hasnain, once again with all of you people. Today, we are going to be doing one of the most asked topics, one of the most simple but hard for some people topics. That is about indirect and direct. So, what is indirect and direct? These are way of reporting speech, or these are way of saying the speech. Like you have to use one of them. You have to either say in, for example, reporting speech or reported speech, or you have to say indirect or indirect speech. You have to say like this. Okay, you people understand. Now, what is direct and indirect speech? You people know this much, that what is indirect and direct, but how to use that's the problem. But still, I will explain. Direct is used to say the exact words. Direct is used to say the exact words of our subject. Like, for example, there is an example, she said, whoever said, like, for example, my sister, Shehzadi. So, we can, in exchange for the pronoun, we can use a noun that is Shehzadi. Shehzadi said, she said, I am ill. She said, I am ill. So, we are saying the exact words. This is what she said. This is the exact words. This is the same to same words. हमने वही अल्फाज कहे जो उसने हमें बताए थे. इसे कहते हैं direct. In indirect is used to say the words of the subject, but in a clear manner. Like, you give the same thing, like you say the same thing that your subject said, but you change it. The meaning is the same, but only the words is changed. Like indirect, like you give the same meaning, but you change the words. For example, the same sentence can be said, she told me that she was ill. I can use like this, or I can say, so this is direct and this is indirect. She told me that she was ill. She said, I am ill. Both are used and both have their own places. Now, there are some rules for direct and indirect. For indirect, told that, if you don't want to use told, you can write said, she said to me that, or she said that. Simple. She said that, she said to me that, or she told me that, or she said, or she told that. No, she told him that, etc. You can use a lot of things. You can use that, you can use told, but that is very important. Without that is not complete. You have to have that inside of the sentence. Now, that is for that and told. Told is used for indirect, but quotation marks are used for direct. When you're saying the words, for example, she said this, this, this. So, she said. After this, we are saying the exact words. हम वही अल्फाज बोल रहे हैं जो हमारे सब्जेक्ट ने कहे थे ना. तो जो अल्फाज हमारे सब्जेक्ट ने यहाँ पर कहे हैं उन्हें मैंने कोटेशन मार्क्स में डाला है. I have put it inside quotation marks. So do you people understand? And lots of people ask me that please take classes in Urdu. So if you people understand, like simply, you cannot understand a language without communicating. You will understand a language, like for example, why people learn English very fast in abroad? Because they have no other option. In Pakistan, you have option. You can rather listen to a lecture in Urdu, you can listen a lecture in, even some people say Hindi, you can listen a lecture in Punjabi, etc. In multiple languages, you can listen the lecture. But in abroad, you cannot. In abroad, you have just to do what they say to you. You don't have option. The only option is to speak English, so you are bound. आपको करना ही होता है. So that's why you are able to do it. So we are going to make the same scenario. So quotation marks will be used with that sentence. So now let's make some other sentences. They told us, we are going to hide. Quotation marks with we and are going to hide, and in the end of the sentence, quotation marks and a dot. They told us, or they said to us. Simple? Yes. So they, and in the indirect we will say, they told us that they are going to hide. It's not that big change, but you can use it. It is important. For example, in papers, etc., this will be very important for you people. So, in some cases, you use direct, in some cases, you use indirect, but that is not our job. This is how we do it. Now, in direct, that is one thing. We are going to use this structure. But in indirect, this is the structure. She, they, us, pronoun or noun will be used. Okay? Then told. Told, and after that, told or said. And if we are using said, so then we will use 2 plus another pronoun. 2 plus another pronoun. But we are going to use like this singular and plural pronouns, so you people should understand it. They told us or they said to us. If you're using said, so to plus another pronoun plus that and then the sentence, rest of the sentence. Or if you are using she and told, so she told another pronoun, then that and then the rest of the sentence. This is going to be the structure of it. I hope you people understood our structure and our class for today. I hope you people understood it. It might have been very helpful for some of you people. So in our next class, we are going to be talking about multiple other topics. So until our next class, thank you so much for being with me. This is me, Muhammad Hasnain, and thank you so much, and Allah Hafiz.